This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jeff Smith. The home is a 3-bedroom and 2-bath house. The house needs some repairs. All offers must be submitted by the buyer's agent using the online offer management system. Access the system via the link below. A technology fee will apply to the buyer's agent upon consummation of a sale. Offer linked to property, http://www.strio.com/?C=CSP for more information. Review the details below or contact Jeff Smith at 229-273-4132.